Hey students, Mr. Williams here again. Just putting this short video together to help you guys navigate this week's assignments. Unit 0 is a wrap. We finished that up with the test. If you have not taken the Unit 0 test, then you should be emailing me as soon as possible to arrange a makeup. But I'm not going to be opening those up again unless you guys email me and we coordinate a time. So just email me if you've missed the test for some reason and we will coordinate that together one-on-one. This week we're starting Unit 1 in Schoology. That means that we need to access our new HMH platform. So the HMH platform is essentially our online textbook. So I'm going to show you how to get there. Remember, we always start off in Google Classroom first. And for example, I'll choose this class right here. This is one of the Science 7 classes. There's a bulletin there that you should always be reading before and after the course meets for that day so that you know what's going on. There's some more information there about what to do if you miss the test. Here's our unit driving questions for Unit 1. We're taking a look at how energy is defined, what the relationship between energy and forces are, what are inputs and outputs, and what's potential versus kinetic energy. During today's live session, I'm going to demonstrate how to get into the HMH platform, and then you will actually log in during the live session to your HMH platform. You're going to learn where to find your assignments, you're going to take a Unit 1 pretest, and then you're going to complete the Unit 1 opener. Your attendance is going to be critical in these live sessions as we start to use HMH because it is new, and if you're absent from that, everything is going to seem more difficult when learning something new. So make sure we're present here, watching the video recap if you need to. Alright, so once we check the bulletin there in the Google Classroom, remember that our classwork and everything for our course is not posted under this tab, but there is a link there for Schoology. Right? So all of our coursework material is going to be linked through Schoology. So I'll pick this class again as an example. We're starting Unit 1 right here, and you can see coming up due is the pretest due, and then we've got some other assignments that are due, and then a quiz that'll open up on Friday. All of these things right here are going to require you to log into HMH. So I'm going to start with the pretest assignment first. And to log into HMH, I put a link here and here, so you can click on either one, and it will take you to the login page. From here, you need to choose your state as Department of Defense. So that's way down here underneath Wyoming. You'll see Department of Defense, and then you need to select the district. The district is the Dodea Pacific West District. Select that one, you hit next, and now you need your username and password. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. You need your whole @student.dodea.edu Gmail email there, and then you need a password. I will be sharing that password with you guys during the live session today. If you're absent during the live session, then you're going to need to email me so I can get you your password. But once you have that in there, you can hit sign in. So when you log in, obviously your student view will be a little bit different from the teacher view, but essentially you will have your assignments and classes tabs up here. So that's going to look very different for the student, but you will have an assignment section up at the top to find your assignments that are listed. So you'll see those right here. The one that we're going to work on first today is the pretest, the online assessment. We're going to click on that together during the live session and complete that. After that, we're going to do the Unit 1 opener. All right.